Well, good morning. As you can see, it's a beautiful day in sunny Aberystwyth, and just come down now to give the babies their morning, well, brunch I should say. I've got about 18 weaned over now, and so far, touch wood, all going well. And also had some good news this morning about joining the National Flying Club in Wales, which I was a member years ago, but due to work commitments and other things, I let my membership lapse. So yep, good news, joining the National back in the North section, and hopefully these little buggers be able to do something for me. Okay, speak to you soon. Bye.